So, this is the Toyota Rush. This is 7-seater, rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive means yung gulong sa likod ang umiikot, not the front wheel. Alright, meron siyang differential. And what else ang best dito sa Rush is the ground clearance. Yan ang pinakagusto ng mga tao dyan, is yung ground clearance, rear-wheel drive. I-check mo yung mga 7-seater here. Even sa other brands, hindi sila naka-rear-wheel drive. Ang rear-wheel drive is best for what? Akyatan. Yan ang maganda dyan. So, mapapansin mo, even sa other brands, like yung mga SUV nila, yung big SUV nila, most of the time, rear-wheel drive sila. Why? Dahil mas maganda yan sa akyatan. So, actually, meron na akong vlog for this Rush and i-revisit lang natin siya again. Tara. So this is the Toyota Rush. So GRS edition to it means it's a sporty edition, a sporty version. So meron dito smoke chrome design for the grills. Ganda. So kaya to naging GR. Of course dito meron yung mga body kits eh. So guys, meron pala akong trivia para mas madali nyo maintindihan. When we say GR edition, previously TRD, pero ngayon GR edition, ang colors lang usually niyan is red, black, and white. So pag tinignan nyo kasi yung emblem ng GR, makita nyo yung color dyan is red, black, and white only. So napakadaling tandaan. When it comes to GR, ang color option niyan is red, black, and white. Alright? Going back. So, yan, meron nga itong body kits. Yan, around the fog lights. There. Yan. So, two-tone design, of course. Usually for the top of the line na Rush. And this one, the side molding. Ang tawag dito is side molding. Yan, yung design na yan. Nakaka-add siya sa sporty look. Overall design ni Rush. Ganda. So yan yung pinaka the best dyan ground clearance eh. Kung medyo nagtitipid kayo, hindi pa natin afford yung Fortuner or Hilux. Then 7-seaters. Dito muna tayo sa Rush. Mataas yung ground clearance niya. Alright. So yan, meron yan side molding for the sporty look and meron yan GR badge here. So, yan. Ganda yan. Meron tong silver chrome accent here. Yan. Same goes sa Fortuner LTD na meron din ganyan. Iba ang look kapag meron siyang ganyan Right? Mas elegante. With spoiler, of course. And the shark fin antenna here. See that? Medyo black color lang Yan. Alright. So, that tail design is this. Meron din siyang GR yan. Mga side skirt, side seal. Yan, yung mga nagpa-add dyan para sa mas sporty look ng Rush. Yan. Ang maganda dito sa Rush talaga, inuulit ko, is rear-wheel drive siya. Rear-wheel drive is best for akyatan. Yan. Kahit saan mo tanongin yan, ang Fortuner, the Hilux, yung mga units na yan, even, what else? High Ace, yung mga yan. Those are rear-wheel drive design. Mainly because of maganda siya sa akyatan. Alright, going back. So, hindi ko na dedetalyehin to dahil I have a video already for this one na dinetalye ko. Pwede siguro bibilisan na lang natin actually. So, given this is top of the line, actually isa na lang ang variant ng Rush So, meron tong signal light integrated here at the side mirror. Then, meron yung push button here. Yan, to unlock the unit. Yan, ganda. And of course, yan. Pakita ko na lang to na mabilis guys hindi ko na dedetalyen. Yan. So, nice. Ganda. Fabric seat to. Yan, fabric seat and yan, ang design ng dashboard. Yan, kita niyo yung monitor. Yan. Nice. Ganda. So, ito yung design ng ang tawag dito is gate type. Yan, wala siyang pinipindot. Ibababa mo lang yung drive mode. So, meron siyang D, drive, second and low gear. Park, reverse and neutral. Yan. Classic handbrake, nako, napakaganda niyan. Then, tatlong cup holders here. Ganda. This is the design for the aircon panel, then touchscreen stereo. Mas detalyado actually yung isang video ko So ito binibilisan ko lang, guys. Hold on check natin tong second row. And yan, ganda. 7-seater to guys. Merong on off here. Ayan, control ng fan level ng aircon. So, this is how it looks at the third row. Yan. Pwede nyo magsiksikan actually. Depende sa size ng mga nakaupo. Kung matataba, payat. Yan. So, the second row, ito. Nice. So guys, located kami along C5 lang. Alright? And meron nga pala kaming trade-in, guys. So ang trade-in is all brands tinatanggap naman namin. Okay? Pwede namin kayo bigyan ng quick appraisal. Kailangan isend nyo rin, of course, yung detalye like the odometer, ilang kilometers na yung unit, and what else, year, model, kompleto ba, any issues in the vehicle, para at least masummarize na natin. May sira yung bumper nito, example, may gas-gas to sa itong side na to. Okay, at least may estimate natin ng maayos. Pero disclaimer ko lang, quick estimate lang yan, hindi yan final. Of course, ang magiging final is to bring your vehicle in the showroom. Nire-remind ko lang kayo that ang appraisal is by schedule. Wag po kayo basta-basta susugod dito baka mamaya magalit kayo. Actually, ilang beses ko na kayo ni-remind dito. Kung naka-follow kayo dito sa page ko, is schedule natin. Okay? Para at least yung mga appraisers namin naka-ready rin for your vehicle. Yan. Okay? All brands niya, pwede pang down niyang sasakyan nyo. Bawas natin sa bagong unit nyo. Okay? Bye! Thanks again!